Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 3.4 and let me share with you how to change aspect ratio on this device. So firstly, let's open the camera app and make sure that you're on the photo mode. Then we can focus on this option bar, and on the second position from the right, we've got the aspect ratio. So simply tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got 4 different options. So we can set 1:1. We've got right now set 4:3, and you can set it because this option is highlighted. And we can also set 16:9 and full. Obviously, by changing the ratio, we will change the look of the camera. So let's say right now it is rectangular, and for example, after changing to 1:1 by tapping on it, you can see that the camera became a square. Let's tap on 16:9. And the same situation right now, it is a rectangle, but it is, let's say, elongated. And after tapping on full, your camera will be elongated to the full screen. So actually that's all. This is how to change aspect ratio in your Nokia 3.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.